So once you have your program, you're ready to test it out in an environment like a maze or something like that, that is not a space where you can have it tethered to the computer to work with. You want to download the program onto your robot, and then you need to locate it on your robot. And so first of all, you need to have saved your project at least once so it has a name, because otherwise it's just called project.ev3, and then you could have a million project.ev3s in the filing area on your robot display, and you would not be able to find it. Then under the project, you have your subheadings. So right now I have Maze 1. This is my main project writing area, and then testings, where I might test out some of the different functions I have programmed in. So I want to run Maze 1 on the maze that I have set up. So I'm going to go ahead, come over, make sure my robot's plugged in and powered on, and that it is connected, and then I'm going to press the download button. Here you can download and run, so if I wanted to do it right here on the table, this is another way aside from the play button. This is essentially the same thing, this play button and this play button. And this is, of course, what we just discussed about how you can highlight certain parts and just play that part, which was a revelation for me because I've been doing a lot of copying and pasting over the testing areas when I realized just today actually that I could highlight whatever I wanted to run and just press that run selected button. I'm ready to go and give it a shot on the real deal, so I'm going to download it to my robot, and you hear the sound. That's an indicator that indeed the robot has downloaded the program. At that point you can go ahead and disconnect the robot, and you see that on the screen. It will show that it's not connected, no brick connected. And so when you get to wherever the location is you're going to run your test, you're going to have here. Now what you're going to see is in reverse, unfortunately, because of the camera. And I'm not a professional YouTuber or something, so I can't do that. But what you want to do is you want to press the right arrow. It looks left to you, but it's really right. And you're going to go over to the File section. Now, I do see Program on there, but I don't see Maze on there. That's not where I need to be. So I'm going to go to File, because the project is a file. And then you're going to see that Maze is one of the files there below. And I want Maze 1. So I'm going to press the center button to open that file up. And then you see it's backwards for you, but it does say Maze 1 and testing. And then when I go to Maze 1 and I press the play button, my program starts to run. Okay? And to even prove it to you, I can do the ultrasonic sensor thing, and it stops. And so that is indeed Maze 1 that I located in the File section. And of course, if the program keeps running or something like that, you need to go back, then you just press the back arrow. Or if you need to interrupt the program, you just press the back arrow and it goes back. Okay, that's how you locate your program on the ev3 robot.